Here we have a Philco 3.5 ton unit running. The model number is DT3BA-042KA. And it's 3.5 ton, as it says right over here. The serial number is DTA0402000235. It's currently running, as I said earlier. Right here it says Philco. This unit is pretty much a Nordine, as you can see right down here. And I'm not sure when this is made. Let's see if this has date of manufacture on here. It doesn't look like it. So yeah, I don't know when this is made. I don't really know how to determine the dates of manufacture on Nordine units. But yeah, a Philco unit running. It's a Philco 3.5 ton unit running. Over and out.